Okay, I'm gonna attempt to do a repair here at the Espinoza family's house. So first step here is I'm using my snake to be really very careful on lifting up some of these nails. With these shingles, this is a discontinued shingle, it's a 5-inch review, so we do have to go one up as well, just because that won't completely unlatch that shingle underneath. And again, that shingle is still connected. It won't be able to be pulled out yet, so we do have to go a third layer above to remove those shingles. So back down. Let's see where we're at. It does look like this should be able to be removed now. Okay, so we do have this shingle removed, and now I'm going to go ahead and attempt to replace this with a very similar shingle that we have now. But as you can see, the sizing is going to not really match up. And so in order to put this back in, I do have to lift these shingles underneath up, which in return pops out a lot of these granules on the top here, and that actually damages them when we're doing these repairs. But I'm going to attempt my best here to put this in. And what you'll notice is these shingles, the shingle is discontinued, so they don't match perfectly. But I'm going to do the best that I can here. And then when I'm actually doing I'll just set my phone down just for a second. So once I do get this in, when I'm actually doing the nailing, here, sorry, I was getting a call. I do have to lift these shingles in to be able to get the hammer and the nail in, which typically I try to be as careful as I can, but even at like a 40 to 45 degree angle, that will damage the shingle. And you can see it's pretty difficult because these shingles do not match exactly. So I've got my shingle underneath here now. Now when I'm doing the hammering, I'm trying to be as careful as possible. But to get the hammer in here, I do have to lift the shingle above it, which creates a crease at the very top of it and does damage. And even me being very careful, this is the angle that I at least need, which is creating some damage. But I need to be able to have my hammer here to nail in. I'll pause this video for just a second.